Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing your device and Chamet so the location change works smoothly. First, update Chamet and enable device GPS. This gives the app required access. Next, open Chamet and sign in. Make sure your account is verified if prompted, because unverified accounts may be restricted. Once done, go to the Profile or Settings tab. This is where Chamet lists location options. Don't skip permissions. Without them, the app can't detect or let you modify location reliably. Now you'll change the actual location inside Chamet. From Settings, select the Location or Profile Location tool. Some regions show a manual entry, others require a device-level mock location or VPN. If using a spoofing app, enable Developer Mock Locations, pick the city coordinates, and confirm the fake GPS app is active. Make sure Chamet's location permission is set to allow while using the app. Once you save the new location, close Chamet and restart it so the server registers the update and your profile shows the new place. Finish by verifying the change and troubleshooting if needed. Look at your profile map and the nearby feed. If the new city appears, you're done. If Chamet still shows the old location, toggle device GPS off and on, clear Chamet's cache and relaunch the app. This forces a fresh location request. If that fails, revoke and re-grant permissions or reinstall Chamet. Finally, if persistent errors occur, update your OS and contact Chamet support with screenshots. They can resolve server-side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.